Dum-Dum.
Every day, a merchant loaded his donkey with heavy sacks of salts to sell in the next village. They walked together down a dusty road that led to a small river they had to cross every day.
While crossing the river one day, the donkey lost his footing and slipped, falling right into the water.
Wow! My bags feel so light now! What a clever trick!
That's strange. The bags feel so light today.
The next day, remembering how easy it felt, the donkey purposely rolled into the river again. What on earth are you doing? The merchant looked at his bags and scratched his head. Something strange was going on. Where did all the salt go? This bag was full when we started.
The merchant thought carefully about what kept happening. Then it suddenly made sense. He must be doing this on purpose. Let's see if you enjoy your little trick today.
When they reached the river, the donkey happily rolled into the water again.
Oh no! My load is heavier now, not lighter. What happened?
Now you understand. Being clever to avoid work isn't always as smart as it seems. You're right. I should just carry my load honestly from now on.
The clever donkey learned that tricks to avoid hard work don't always work out the way we expect. It's always better to do our work honestly.
Did you like that story? Then hit the like button and subscribe to Tutu Dum Dum for more fun stories. See you next time.